So now I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking